So we're gonna take a stab at some SPY puts here. Putin and Trump are currently speaking right now, guys, so we gotta be very careful. 10%, 9%, $40 on this trade. Let's freaking go more. Come on, come on. Now, the reason why I entered it on the volume shelf, you guys can see we lost this very nice important level, and now we're kind of just losing this area. Good morning, my fellow traders. Welcome back to another live trading session. And yes, guys, look at my new setup style. Now, check it out. I'm gonna run some order flow on my chart because honestly, I just learned order flow and it's something that I've been wanting to use, to be honest. Now we have it customized. So we had a candle on there on the 1 minute, candlestick with the order flow. So it does line up here nicely, but yeah, it looks pretty good, guys. So we like this. We like the way it looks. So gonna be very interesting. Gonna test it out, see how it acts. I do see that there are a lot of sellers stacked. Earlier, there was a lot more sellers stacked with big spikes up here. And then this one has a very small amount. So now there is one big buyer at 474. So we'll see how it acts when it gets to that price level and see if those, look, he just disappeared. You see how interesting it is? And now it looks like he even went down an extra 20 cents. Very interesting, guys. I'm gonna test this stuff out and see how it acts. Catch a trade on my, I want to live record it, but it seems like what I'm gonna have to do is pull up my phone and end up entering the trade on my phone because as you guys can see here, literally I'm trying to pull up an option contract, guys, and my computer, I hate when this shit happens where it just ends up lagging. But look at this. I'm gonna pull up Apple. Literally nothing freaking pops up, guys. It's literally kind of annoying. So we're gonna take a stab at some SPY puts here. Trying to take them in the money, but market looks very, very bearish here. Hourly just closed and everything looks like it's about to fall for another leg down here. Now, the reason why I entered it on the volume shelf, you guys can see we lost this very nice important level, and now we're kind of just losing this area. We're probably most likely gonna most likely climb down pretty hard to the next volume shelf, which is like 557 area. But anyways, guys, let's see how this one could do, play out nicely, and let's see how much money we can print. We got our finger on the sell button just in case this thing pulls back up. Putin and Trump are currently speaking right now, guys, so we gotta be very careful. This thing can instantly just, I'm not even lying, I swear. Look at the volume that kicked in here just as soon as this announcement came out that they're speaking. So we gotta be very, very, very cautious, guys. We got our finger on the sell button just in case. 10%. 9%, $40 on this trade. Let's freaking go more. Come on, come on. Really having my finger on the sell button just in case this volume kicks in even higher than the previous one, which indicates that they're trying to step in one more time. I don't know why. Okay, there it goes. So look at that. Look at that volume, guys. It's trying to kick in. We're currently just up 3% here. So let's see what this volume does. Please, 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 please. Look at that volume, guys. Very cautious here. We're gonna have to hit the sell button soon if this thing rockets. Exited out those SPY contracts, guys. These things ended up pulling up. Volume got crazy, and I don't trust it, guys. We got to be very, very cautious with this kind of market since Trump and them are speaking. But overall, the market looks very, very bearish. So honestly, I'm gonna be pretty upset if this thing ends up going even more. But guys, that candle right there done scared me. Reason being is because Trump and them are speaking, volume's kind of kicking in. Now, don't get me wrong. When you compare it to these buyers, there's really nothing comparable. But you just never know with the news, and I'm not going to risk it. So we're going to exit out here. And it's fine, guys. Look at our P&L year to date on SPY. It's $200. So pretty appreciative with that, and we'll just leave it at that. Just had to take a quick scalp on our trade and go in and out. Honestly, this market is wild as far as when it comes to the news, because we got Trump speaking with Putin at this moment, guys, so you never freaking know. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this stock looks like after that big fat green candle that pumped, it might continue on to the downside, which will make me a little bit upset, but it is totally fine, guys. It is what it is. We're gonna continue on about our day. It's still only 8:17 a.m. and I do have to go get my teeth cleaned today. But anyways, guys, we already hit the gym early in the morning. We're gonna trade a little bit more probably as well, depending on how the market acts. But so far, guys, I just try to go short. Shorts look very in favor, but we never got it. So the only trade setup that I see here now really isn't much, honestly. Like let me be honest with y'all, guys. I don't really see much, to be honest. And best case scenario, maybe SPY comes back up to retest this general area, rejects off of this, but who knows, guys? Like, I don't really want to sit here and wait for all that. So we're going to work on a lot of things, post a lot of videos, post a lot of education, talk to the Discord, see what's going on. And guys, remember, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. We're going to do a live recap today too as well. I'll see you guys in there.